Good afternoon and welcome back to Saltine at the Main. My name is Mark Byer. I'm the chief mixologist for the Main. We're out from behind the bar, and behind our bar cart, our newest addition to brunch. Starting off, I'm going to make a mojito, our tableside mojito. We're going to add some really nice, robust mint leaves. The more the merrier, so we can do this however you like. If you like it more minty, less minty. Next, we're going to add a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Next, we're going to do a ½ ounce of lime juice, fresh squeezed. The next step is going to be to muddle this, and you want to lightly muddle. You don't want to bruise or tear or shred your mint up at all. It'll kind of bitter it up. Next up, we're going to do 1.5 ounces of Plantation 3-Star Barbados rum. After our cocktail is muddled, we're going to add ice. And then we'll top off with soda water. We're going to give that a light stir to incorporate all of our ingredients, the mint, the sugar, the lime, and we'll give that a nice leafy green garnish. And there you are, the Main Mojito.